Character, passion, commitment, these qualities exemplify Mike and the way he lived his life, both personally and professionally. Mike had a way of drawing you in from the moment he met you. I always said that Mike and I could each have a 5-minute conversation with the same person, and he would walk away with 100 times more information than I would. And more importantly, he would remember it even when he saw you if it was months later. It's an incredible honor to have Mike and everything that made him a great human being recognized through the Mike Bote Award. He absolutely loved working at Discovery. So to have Discovery, the family that he loved, recognize the work and commitment he had to his job is so gratifying. I think he would be so proud, yet so humbled if he knew. The only thing that would be worse than losing Mike would be if his legacy, the things that he accomplished while he was here, were to go unrecognized or forgotten. Mike is gone, but the impact he had on this world can go on. And this award allows the qualities that Mike exemplified to not only be recognized, but carried on through others. Mike's values continue to even guide me and have been one of the reasons I've been able to keep going. When I have my tough moments, I just think of Mike and how he lived his life and what he would do if he were in my shoes. Mike took on challenges head on and appreciated all the lessons that life dealt him. There will never be a reason to explain Mike's death, but we can make something positive out of it. We can use the impact that Mike had on this world and turn it into something even greater. Mike loved knowing that he was making a difference in kids' lives and changing the way that they learned in the classroom. The Michael Bote Foundation will allow me to carry out Mike's passion for education. Our mission will be to provide funding for technology to K-12 schools in the greater Los Angeles area and hopefully expand to other areas. The articles of incorporation have been filed with the state of California, which means we will be an official legal organization by the end of the month. And I'm currently assembling the board of directors, and I'm so excited to involve more people in the coming year.